geometric series is, a lot of them are the ones I've been showing you, is fractions that have been added. Okay, so what I want to do is, to make it easier for you to get to that point, I want to take this repeating decimal and I'm going to expand it out with decimals. All right, so in other words, if I take 0.7 repeating, I can add together a 0.7 plus a 0.07 plus a 0.007, and if I keep going with that pattern and I add them all up, I'm going to get 0.777777, repeating forever and ever and ever. Okay, but I don't need to do it forever and ever and ever. I just need to come up with this geometric series. I need to come up with what are the fractions, okay, because I'm trying to come up with the common ratio. So once I do this and I expand this out, everybody see how I got that? If I add all that up, that's going to be 0.7. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to turn each one of them into a fraction. Okay, because that's 7 over 10, because it's in the 10th spot. This is 7 over 100, because it's in the 100th spot. This was 7 over 1,000. Okay, and again, I don't need to keep going. All right, now it depends. Some of you may need to go one more step. Others of you will not. Okay, what's the common ratio? What this times what gets me here. This times what gets me here. Common ratio is 1/10. All right. Some of you, I am going to write one extra line on here that some of you might need to do to see it. This is 7 over 10 to the first. This is 7 over 10 to the second. So I just had to multiply by 1 over 10. Okay. So how far you have to go to see it, I don't know. But what this tells me is that my common ratio is a 1/10. Okay. So now all I have to do is use the formula of, and I'm going to do this in a different color, a sub 1 over 1 minus r. And this is going to give me the fraction that represents this. Alright, so what's my first term? Well, I'm going to do 7/10 as opposed to the 0.7. I'm going to use the 7/10 because we've been doing fractions. Okay, so 7/10. Alright, and then I'm going to go 1 minus my common ratio, which we said was a 1/10. Okay, well, what's 1 minus 1/10? 9/10. Okay, so 7 over 10 over 9 over 10. If I do the keep it, switch it, flip it thing, I've got 7 over 10 times 10 over 9. 10's cross out. I get the fraction 7/9, which we knew it was going to be 7/9, so that's good that it worked out. All right, now that's one way to take a repeating decimal and turn it into a fraction. You can use these geometric series to do that. Okay.